really very exciting, and I'm going to learn about it too. You bring me there.
That's right. So we're going to bring out a very special person. Why don't you introduce him?
We'd like, of course, you don't take our word for it. We'd like to bring out the Managing Director of Mediascape. Please help me welcome Mr. Benji Fernandez.
Sir Benji, come on over here to the stage. Wow.
Wow, hip na pala to. Ang bata pala.
Sir Benji, good evening.
Hello, Benji. Okay. How are you?
Wow.
Looking good, huh?
How's it feel being beside the very non-controversial Vicky Bello?
Don't go near me. Baka maano ka. May hidden camera. Hidden. Okay.
That came from her, not from me. See? There you go. Okay, so Sir Benji, we were talking a while ago about Signal HD and about Signal Digital TV. What is the main difference between the two?
Signal SD is a standard definition. It's our basic offering. We have 20 channels on standard definition, and we're offering that for 390 pesos a month.
Very affordable.
Signal HD, on the other hand, we are offering. Earlier, we offered, when we break into the market last month, we offered 2 channels, and I'm proud to announce that for today, we're on 3 channels. So we have Boom, we have History, and we have Playhouse Disney on HD. And by next month, hopefully, we could announce some more.
And they
that's
keep on
for
coming.
450 pesos a month.
Not bad either.
Benji, with so many providers, what does Signal TV do that's different from everybody else?
First, let's talk of what markets we're trying to serve.
Okay.
What we're trying to serve are the markets that are underserved, if I may call it that way. Underserved in the sense that we're talking here of uncabled markets.
All right.
Where the wires have not reached the subscriber's home.
So, Sir Benji, I'm sorry, I'll cut you short. You're saying that right now, in this day and age of high technology, there are places in the Philippines where cable cannot reach.
Yes. Because of the limitation of wires that you have to roll out, the return on investments of these copper wires or coaxial cables that you have to put out has to be good or in dense areas only. So there are still a good number of the population, about 2 million plus, on the ABC socioeconomic demographics that are still without pay TV service. So this is one market segment that Signal SD is trying to serve with an affordable package of 390.
Right.
Likewise, we're talking of the affluent market where we're trying to serve those people who has bought HD TV.
Like Vicky.
But
She has
like
12
you.
at home.
Okay?
How did you know that?
I've been to your home.
But you don't have HD broadcast. And I'm sure you're one of those who has been disappointed buying an HD TV, bringing it at home, and then plugging it with your free-to-air or with your analog cable subscription. And it's just hazy, snowy pictures that
Question.
you see.
So, if somebody here has a private island, okay, private island, and he was in the mood to watch the History
you have
Channel.
rich friends, huh?
Yeah, then you can, Signal TV can broadcast to this,
Yes.
to your island, your secret
Wow.
Yes,
island.
because it's wireless. Anywhere in the Philippines that you could see the sky, you could see the satellite, we're on.
Just put the satellite dish outside and you're fine. I've been doing some research, Sir Benji. Correct me if I'm wrong. When we talk about DVD, that's about 480 lines of resolution. That's what they call it, right?
That's SD,
Yes. When you talk about HD, how many lines of resolution are we talking about here?
1080.
So in other words, kung sa DVD noon, sobra na tayong, wow, look at that. It's so clear. The kind of experience we're going to have when it comes to HD will be?
1080.
Wow.
In fact, from a layman's point of view, no, when you take pictures of a standard definition channel, you would normally see the lines. Diba?
Right.
When you take videos or when you take pictures. With HD, if you take a picture of an HD TV with the broadcast on, what you'll see is something like poster light. So it's solid.
Wow.
What kind of packages are you offering naman? What's the Signal TV offering to the people?
The packages?
The packages, yeah.
The
But
packages,
before the packages, I think let's talk about the attributes muna.
Okay.
What is unique about the kind of service that we have? We're talking about maybe channels. If I was a viewer, I'd like to know what kind of channels do we have?
Okay, for Signal, our programming philosophy is that we give you the essential programs only. So while yes, we're talking of 20 channels and 3 HD channels, we're really talking here of the top 25 Nielsen rating channels. each rating in their own genre. For example, we have for news, we have CNN. For children's animation, we have Disney. For movies, we have HBO. For sports, we have BTV. This is a basketball-loving country, so BTV is the #1 sports channel.
So all of these things, of course, in the future, we're going to have a lot of great, great plans. People here are very excited about this new technology. Now, their TV, which they bought a few months ago, which is HD ready, full HD, it now makes sense.
Yes. In fact, if I may point you to the TVs at the JVC booth and the Sony booth, they're broadcasting HD. No?
Right now.
These small TVs here, this is our standard definition channel. This is live broadcast, so you could see the quality difference. A lot of people has been approaching me earlier on during the night, telling me, is this HD? No, this is our SD channels. So our SD channels are also very clear.
So kumbaga, SD pa lang yan.
SD pa
What
lang
more
yan.
pa kung HD?
Yung HD namin nandun sa mga booth ng
Sa
Sony
loob
at
ng booth,
JVC.
wala po. Itong malaking TV na to is SD.
The big TV is standard definition.
Okay.
It's a projector TV.
Wow, so imagine if you watch like maybe Survivor Philippines on HD,
When does
lahat
it
ng mga
begin,
insect
Paolo?
bites, kita yan.
Of course, you can see the perspiration.
Oh.
Mga sexy ba at saka mga gwapo yung mga contestants ngayon?
Thank you for the plug. Yes, by the way, they are really hot. They are very ruthless in the way that they play the game, and it's going to be an exciting season, and I can't wait to watch it with my new system. I'm signing up. Where do I sign up?
Sign up. We have a booth outside. We're offering special discounts for tonight only. So you're one of our lucky guests. Go out, make a subscription. Likewise, JVC is selling their TV at huge discounts. And we have Citibank easy installment plans and BDO credit card payments.
And-
So we're making it easy for you to change your view.
So where else can they go aside from the appliance stores?
We now have, I'm happy to announce that with the tie-up with Smart, we're present in all Smart Wireless Centers. Thank you to our friends at Smart, Mr. Bong Mojica and Ting Jimenez. So we're being sold by all Smart Wireless Centers. Likewise, our territory partners, we have localized our selling efforts and after sales. So you don't have to go back to Metro
To Manila.
Manila if you're in the province. You have your sales and after-sales support locally.
Dun mismo sa probinsya nila.
Exacto.
That's fantastic. Now, of course, we're talking about the new age, new technology, internet.
Internet. Okay. One of our future plans, in fact, it's now moving. We've just launched through our PLDT affiliates parent company. They have launched Watchpad. On the other hand, Smart has launched Sandbox and MyTV.
All right.
So all of these video initiatives, we're getting involved through Mediascape. So we're doing multi-platform. And as we speak, if I may mention, we're doing a live HD broadcast. It's a first in the Philippines to do a live HD broadcast. So we're doing a live HD broadcast simulcast on a mobile TV. So we're doing HD plus mobile simulcast tonight.
That's going to be a first. That's going to be history in the making in terms of technology
So
here in the
you're on
Philippines.
HD, Miss Bella. Victoria Bella.
See, history in the making. My first hosting job and an HD pa. Class talaga ako.
Imagine mo talaga all of those. Makikita yung kagandahan talaga, kagwapuhan ni Sir Benji. You know?
Thank you, Sir
Likewise,
Benji.
Yeah, like if I may add last points.
Yes, continue.
We're doing also a lot of product bundling in the future with Smart and PLDT. Likewise, we're doing product bundles with HDTV manufacturers, the like of JVC and Sony.
Yes,
together
they're with us
the
tonight.
appliance stores owners. So this is really making HD within reach, within easy access.
Pretty
You
soon,
have no
pretty soon.
excuse already. It's the cheapest TVs, discounted plans. They're here to sign you up.
Exactly.
Citibank payment plan. You really know how to Buti na I left my bag in the car. No. I really
I'm
want to
signing
take.
up no
I've been
matter what.
waiting. I have an HD ready TV.
There you
with
go. I'm
no
going to go over to your
programming, so I
place and I'm
can't
going to
wait.
watch first.
Okay, you can
How it
come
is.
to the house every day. I'll feed you and you can watch TV.
There you go. But sir, let's talk about what we have here on the screen right now.
Yeah, this is basically a summary of what we're offering. So we have,
Let's flash that once again.
can you bring it back?
There you go.
Yeah, so We have Signal SD at 390 pesos a month, Signal HD at 450, and the Signal Combo, a combination of the 20 SD channels and the 5 or 3 HD channels at the moment at 790 pesos. So the setup box, you'll have a one-time fee of 4,700, which is now on promo at 2,500.
Wow, ang laki ng discount.
And then we have 6,500 for HD, regular price at 10,000, and the Signal Combo at a much lower price.
Wow, Sir Benji. Ang galing. It's very, very reasonable and affordable.
Let's give Sir Benji a round of applause, please.